Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to officially lock your Facebook profile and improve your account's privacy settings. Before you lock your profile, there are a few important settings you should update to make sure your information is better protected. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook app and tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. From there, go to Settings and Privacy, and then tap Settings. Now, scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section and select Followers and Public Content. Here, review the available options and change any settings that are set to Public to Friends, or choose the privacy level that best suits your needs. This helps limit who can see your public activity. Next, go back and open Profile and Tagging. Take a moment to review all the available privacy options and adjust them based on your preferences. These settings allow you to control who can post on your profile, who can see posts you're tagged in, and other important privacy features. Once you've finished updating your privacy settings, go back to the Settings menu and look for Profile Locking. Open it, then tap Lock Your Profile. Facebook will apply the profile lock, making your profile more secure by limiting what people who aren't your friends can see. That's all there is to it. Your Facebook profile is now officially locked, and your privacy is better protected. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.